Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by powering down and unplugging the Xbox. Safety first. Next, clear a 2 to 3 foot area around it so you can see ventilation and ports. This matters because airflow equals cooler operation and a cleaner look. Use a microfiber cloth for exterior dust, then short bursts of compressed air into vents. Do it gently to avoid spinning fans too fast. Once done, inspect the feet and surface for scratches, and apply rubber pads if needed to stabilize and protect. Now you handle the visuals that stick out. Start cable management. Route the power and HDMI through one sleeve, secure with clips, and hide excess length behind furniture. Clean lines make the setup feel premium. Then add subtle bias lighting behind the screen to reduce eye strain and create depth. Choose a color that complements your room. If you want a different finish, snap-on faceplates or matte skins swap the look instantly without voiding warranties. Make sure everything still has breathing room for vents. Finish by choosing orientation. Vertical saves footprint while horizontal can fit tighter shelves. Leave 1 to 2 inches of clearance to protect airflow. Coordinate controllers and accessories to match or contrast. A consistent palette instantly elevates perceived value. Finally, test everything. Power on, check LEDs, and run a quick game to confirm ventilation and noise. If you hit trouble, like overheating or dead LEDs, unplug, inspect vents for dust. Reset power connections.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.